What is good, my people? We are back again with another gem. Listen, yes, once again, we are trying something new. Now, I've been researching this for a while. If you guys did not know, I've been really into like the Olympus Daos, the Wonderland Times, the Snowball, I also have Snow Dog. I've been really into these Dao projects, and I've always noticed something on the left side of all of their screens. They have bonds. Now, in real world terms, bonds are literally just like you lending the bank money or lending a corporation money, and they're using that money to make more money, and in return they'll pay you interest on that bond. So let's say you buy a $100 bond, you give that to the bank or whatever, you buy it from the bank, so you're giving them $100, then you go to cash in that $100 bond and they'll pay you 10% interest on that. That's just an example. The interest can vary for a lot of reasons, even in the crypto market. But let's say 10% bond, they're gonna pay you an extra $10 on top of giving you your $100 back. It's basically like you lending money to the bank instead of the bank lending money to you, or you lending money to corporations instead of them lending back to you. And in crypto, it works the exact same, except in crypto is a lot faster where you can get your money back, as well as the percentages are a lot higher. And I was noticing it on especially Wonderland Time. I'm like, what is this 8% thingy that they have on the side of their screen if you buy USDC, if you buy time token or whatever it is? So I decided to research it, and today I'm going to be buying my first bond. I'm gonna put some money into it, maybe like maybe $1,500, something like that. I'm gonna put that into there, and then in 1 week, well, in 5 days, I'm gonna come back and show you guys the results. But it's gonna be in this video, so it'll be a week for me. Well, it'll be 5 days for me, but it'll be like this for you guys. Yeah, my cat is screaming already. He does this every single video. But if you're excited for the video, make sure you smash the like button. We're coming out with consistent videos every single time I upload. You know what I'm saying? I'm dropping gems all the time, so make sure you guys are subscribed with the post notifications on. And honestly, let's just hop right into this. All right, so here we are, app.hectordale.com. This is not Wonderland, this is not Olympus Dao, this is none of that. This is another Dao, well, fork off of the Olympus Dao that is on the Phantom network. I have not made a video about this in the staking aspects of it, but they are offering pretty ridiculously high staking rewards, which is 602,000% APY. But that's not what we're here for. We're here for these small percentage numbers down here. We have 18%, 18.3, 18.1, 18.09, 16. We have all of these right here, and these are basically the bonds that we're able to buy. It's as if we're buying these coins at a discounted rate. So when it says 18% next to DAI coin, if I buy $100 worth of DAI coin, I'm only paying $82 worth of it, because they're giving an 18% discount, or they're technically paying they're paying you an extra 18% on top of how much you put in there. So like I said, if I put $100 in there, I'm technically making 18% on it, so I'm making an additional $18 on an investment. So today I'm going to walk you guys exactly through how you can get into this. If you want to do it on this project as well, I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. I literally chose this one because it had the highest bond discount percentages. Olympus Dao had some pretty decent ones. Let's actually look it up right now, see what they're offering. Their bond discounts are 5%, 3%, and also app.wonderland.money, they're offering not as much either. They're offering 7%, 6%. So that is honestly why I chose to do it on Hector. I will make a video on the staking part of it, because like I said, they are offering some crazy high APYs. Their 5-day return on investment is 12%, which is absolutely ridiculous. But these are higher than this 5% or than this 5-day ROI, because these are offering 17, 18%. Like I said, it varies. It was literally just at 18%. But they're offering this percentage in the same 5 days. So it doesn't make sense to hold it in and to stake it in here and just get 12% when you could buy these bonds with the same amount of money and make 17% off of them, if that makes sense. So without further ado, let's hop into the whole process. It's pretty simple. All you're gonna have to do is have these 3 tabs open. You're gonna have to have the Hector Dao open. You're gonna have to have Spooky Swap. You're also gonna have to have KuCoin. I find that like the simplest way. And you also need MetaMask. If you've been watching my videos, we already have MetaMask, we already have KuCoin. Well, you should already have those if you've been following along on my tutorials, but you're gonna need to add the Phantom blockchain or Phantom network to your MetaMask. So how you can do that very simply, you can either add it yourself, or you can just come on spookyswap.com, and when it tells you to connect your wallet, it'll automatically add that Phantom wallet to your MetaMask automatically, so you won't have to do it manually and type in all the coding and all that stuff. So our first thing is going to be come over here on KuCoin, and we're gonna need money in our account. I already have some UST in here already, so I'm just gonna go onto the spot trading. But technically, we're just gonna need to buy Phantom on KuCoin, which is FTM/USDT. Then once you're in here, you need to have USDT in your account. Like I said, you're gonna come over here and press market down here. Then you're gonna want to buy Phantom. All right, so I'm back. I bought the, I didn't realize my screen stopped recording, but I ended up buying the Phantom. I bought technically 1,400 worth, but don't ask me why I bought 1,400 worth. It's really, I just typed in a random number, to be honest. But it gave me $1,387, which is 622 Phantom. So basically what I'm going to do, and what you're gonna have to do as well, is come in your MetaMask, and you're gonna wanna come and make sure you're on the Phantom network. Please be on the Phantom network. You cannot send it to any other network. And you're gonna wanna copy this address, and you're gonna wanna, well, sorry, I skipped past the whole thing. Once it's in your main account, once you're in your main account, you wanna come to Phantom where it shows your Phantom, you gotta press withdraw. Now you're here and press your wallet, once you get your wallet address from your MetaMask, like I said, you come to MetaMask, make sure you're on Phantom, copy the account. You're gonna wanna paste it right in here. You're gonna make sure you're on the Phantom network, which is the FTM network, under the network. Then I'm gonna put the max amount in here that I have, which is 621.29. I leave the remarks open, and we're just gonna press confirm. So boom, it is now a success. It sent us over the Phantom. I literally did this just to go through the whole process and make sure I knew how to do everything smoothly. I literally did this about 5 minutes ago. Well, not 5 minutes ago. It was a couple minutes ago. I just sent $100 over and went through the whole process. But now we're just gonna wait for this to finish saying processing and switch to completed, and then I'll be right back. So now it is completed, and we're gonna come right back over here to spookyswap.finance/swap. Make sure you're connected to your FTM, your Phantom wallet. And this is basically where we're gonna convert our Phantom to whatever coin we want to use. So if we come over here, I'm basically just gonna choose whichever one I think is going to be the highest. Honestly, let's just use USDC. It's a very simple conversion right there. I'm just going to convert my FTM to USDC. It was honestly already on here. So let's just do max, and actually let's save some inside of my wallet just so I have some, because you have to pay, you need to have Phantom in your wallet to cover the transaction fees. It is a lot cheaper than Ethereum. It's roughly around the same price as Solana. It'd be a couple of pennies every single time you make a transaction. So it's going to give us $1,374.50 worth of USDC. Let's press swap, and then we're gonna have to come over here and confirm it. So it is now done. I now have $1,380. Then we're gonna come back to the app.hector.dao. And like I said, we just came over here and pressed the bond. The percentage literally just went down crazily. It was at 18% when I first started this video. Now it's at 15.9%. So like I was saying, it's very volatile. It can move. But we're just gonna hop into it honestly, because 15% is still great for 5 days. We're gonna press this, and we're gonna come over here. First, you're gonna have to approve it. I don't have to do it because I did it before. It's gonna give you an option that says approve. You just gotta approve it, then your MetaMask is gonna ask you to confirm it. Once you confirm it, then this will show up with the option to bond. But now we're gonna come here and we're gonna press max, and then it's gonna give us a little update on what we're gonna be getting. You will be getting 6.2447 Hec coin, which is worth, as of right now, let's look it up, $261 each. So it says it's gonna give us 6.2447, which comes out to $1,605 for making a $1,300, well, technically $1,400 investment. We'd be earning $200 in 5 days off of well, technically that is the 15%, like I was saying. So once we hit bond, then I'll be locked in, and we cannot take it out for the vesting term, which is, as of right now, is 5 days. Like I said, it's very fast compared to doing it in the regular world of buying bonds. You need to hold those for a very long time for you to make any type of money. So yeah, let's just press bond. Okay, you have an existing bond. Bonding will reset your vesting period and forfeit rewards. We recommend claiming rewards first or using a fresh wallet. Do you still want to proceed? I usually would not press this, but literally I just bonded the other one before. So I only had about 0.0003 cents worth that they were paying me out. So we're just gonna say okay. And once it bonds, we're just gonna confirm it. And we should be in the money. Boom, we're in the money. Redeem, when we hit the redeem tab, it shows us exactly where we are in it. So time fully vested, we have 4 days and 23 hours and 59 minutes until our thing is up and we can claim all the prizes. Here it has an option to just claim it or claim an auto stake. If you claim an auto stake, it will put it right back into the stake room or stake pod or however you want to call it. But we're just gonna leave it in here for right now. I'm gonna come back in 5 days once this is completely over, and we'll see how much I made, because like I said, the percentages can go up and down. I could make 200, or I can make 300, 400, or 10 bucks or 50 bucks. So I'll see you guys in 5 days, but for you guys, it'll be like that. And we're back like we never left. For you guys, it's been a couple seconds. For me, it's been 5 days of waiting to see if this is a profitable strategy to make money on, some quick money on, like if you consider 5 days quick. I don't know, it felt pretty long to me. But one thing you do have to keep in mind is that they do pay you out in their currency. So if the currency or if their crypto went down, you could lose your profits. If it went up, you could increase your profits. Right now, the price is sitting at roughly 230 bucks. I'm actually not even sure what number I got in at. I do know I put around $1,380 in it. So let's go in and see how much I made. I bonded it over here on USDC. If we go into the redeem tab, we see time until fully vested. It is fully vested now. We have pending rewards, 6.7271 HEC coins. So like I was saying, the vesting term was the 5 days, so it's literally exactly 5 days later. So I want to see exactly how much I've made off of that 1,300 investment. The ROI says here is 6.64%, which I'm not sure if that is 100% accurate. We're going to see right now. So we're going to take it and we're going to copy the amounts. So we're going to copy this. We're going to bring it right over here to Hector Dao. Control V. $1,536. So that is let's do the math on that actually really quickly. Just say the profit, we put in 1,380. Actually, I have to do it this way. 1,536 minus our principal amount, which was 1,380, equals $156 return in 5 days. So if I want to get the percentage for that, actually, I just want to check really quickly. I lost the number. 1,540 divided by 1,380 equals so we made basically an 11.5% return on our investment in 5 days, which is freaking incredible. I could have put $10,000 into there and made $1,100 in 5 days. I might just do that, I don't know. But that is the results that we got. Let me know if you guys are interested in bonding. Have you guys ever tried buying any bonds in the crypto space? Like I said, this is literally my first time. I've never done it before. I just want to check it out and also show you guys the progress and the amount of money I was able to make within this short amount of time. It's just crazy the amount of opportunity that crypto has as a whole. Of course, this can vary. The price of the coin could have went up or down, making me lose some profits or even gain more profits. So honestly, invest at your own risk. You should know this by now. Do not invest your grandma's money for her. So I was about to say something, but that's bad. Just don't invest the money that you can't afford to lose, you know what I'm saying? But that's the end of the video. Let me know if you guys have any questions down below. Feel free to give me some ideas in my DMs if you want me to kind of look up any projects, any cryptos, anything like that. And yeah, that's really about it. Good luck on all your trades. Good luck on all your crypto. Good luck on all your stocks. Also, a lot of you guys have expressed to me that you guys kind of want to be notified whenever I buy certain crypto, how much I'm buying, how long I'm holding it, when I'm selling it. I'm thinking about making a Patreon. I don't know. You guys let me know. Is that some of you guys would be kind of up to signing up for, because in that I'll be able to show you guys exactly when I buy these coins, exactly when I'm taking profit on these coins, what I'm doing when I see a bunch of red in the market, what I'm doing when I see a bunch of green in the market. It will kind of be like you guys are right there with me, trading with me. Let me know if that's something you guys would be up to, and I can start kind of figuring that out right now. But yeah, like I said, good luck on all your trades, good luck on all your businesses, good luck on everything, good luck on life as a whole. I'm gonna see you on the next video.